Welcome to dear friend of me Huawei Y5p, and I'll show you how to change font size on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then tap here on the display and brightness. Here you'll see the text and display size, click there, and now we got here the text size, the same like the font size. So we can now change our size to the small, from the normal to the small to the large, extra large, and to the huge. So that's it. That's how to change the font size on our Huawei device. So thank you for watching. That's it. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.